Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Both sidekicks are in the room, but only one wants to be seen. And he's really just incredibly sleepy. So I'm excited because my latest Rocksbox is here. I love Rocksbox. This is a jewelry rental subscription. Why it's just so sleepy. We have to wonder what he does every night that makes him so very sleepy. But Rocksbox is a jewelry rental subscription. You pay I think it's $21 a month plus tax. And for that, you get to rent 3 pieces of jewelry pretty much as often as you want. So if you were to get 3 pieces, you wore them in a week and you're tired of them, you could send them back, and they instantly, as soon as they register that you have mailed your pieces back, they will curate a set of 3 more pieces, and you get to preview them for 24 hours, and then they send them right out to you and you get them within 2 days. So it's pretty quick, and you wear them for as long as you want. You can purchase them, and that $21 gets credited towards anything you decide to purchase. So you don't lose it. If you decide that you want to keep wearing them and not purchase anything, you do lose that fee each month. I tend to at least purchase 1 item normally each month. If you purchase all 3 in your set, you do get an additional credit, but you also can carry that monthly charge. Like if you wanted all 3 pieces in your set, you could buy 1 piece each month with your credit and drag it out for 3 months, and they will recognize that you have bought all 3, and you would still get that extra credit for buying that 3rd piece once you buy the 3rd piece. I hope that makes sense. All right, so let's do this. I like Rocksbox for trying out styles that maybe I'm not so sure I'm going to love. I like trying them out and wearing them for a while and then deciding that, yes, I do really like them. And I noticed they have a new box design. Check this out. So pretty. I like it. Usually it's a gray box with like pink ribbon. This is so pretty. All right, let's do this. So right inside the little Hey Gorgeous little pamphlet here gives you your pricing sheet and information on what to do when you want to send everything back. And you always get a care card that tells you all about how to take care of your jewelry when you have it. And I see something extra in here that says, "Hello Sunshine, introducing our new seasonal box that's just as reusable as the last one, but is now 100% recyclable and made in the USA. Be sure to keep the box to send back any pieces you don't want to keep." So there you go. They did change out their box. So excited. All right, and here's what it looks like once I get past that. A little bundle. Here's what the bundle looks like. Everything always does come in its own little jewelry pouch. You always do get a little return label that you put right back on the bag that everything came in to keep this. And you return any pieces you don't want to keep. All right, let's do this. So excited. All right, my first piece is by Kendra Scott. I'm going to take out my earrings real quick because I know I got earrings. And I like this. This piece is really pretty. So this is a necklace. And I got a little Kendra Scott pamphlet with it. So that's cute. That tells you about the Kendra Scott brand there. I'm not going to read that to you guys. You guys can always look at that on your own. So sometimes you get pieces that have probably been worn before because this is a jewelry rental subscription. They do sanitize everything. It goes through a rigorous process. But as you can see, this piece is brand new. So this one has never been worn. So this one will take me a minute to get out. So you do get new as well as pieces that have most likely been worn. All right. So here's what it looks like out of the packaging. And I'm going to put it on really quickly here for you. So what do you guys think of this one? I think that is so pretty. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's see what it says about it here. So this is the Kendra Scott Elisa necklace in silver and white howlite, and the price of this is $60. I like it. All right, there's more. My next two pieces are both by Rudiment. All right, and these are earrings. The next two are both earrings. So look how pretty these are. So I like how they have the sparkle on these. Some are the shiny metal and some is the sparkly, depending on which way it's going. These are so pretty. These are a post. All right, so I have these on. What do you guys think? They're very lightweight. I love the dangle. I think these are really pretty. I like them. You could dress these up or wear them casual. I think they're really pretty. All right, and these are called the Marcy drop earrings in silver. The retail price of these is $75. The member price is $63. And these are so light, you don't even feel like you have anything on. I like them. All right, I have one more, also by Rudiment. And this is, this is not earrings. I was thinking it was. Rings. I forgot. Because you do get to preview your set. So I should have remembered. Rings, not earrings. Look how pretty these are. You guys can see these. These are so pretty. I don't know if I put it on here, if you can see it any better. So these are stackable rings, and they have these fun little stones in them. And I think they are so pretty. So pretty. So one has the darker stone, one has the lighter. Yeah, I love these. I hope the camera is doing this justice because these are so cute. Look really nice on. All right, and these are called the Rudiment Cavallo ring set in sapphire and crystal in silver, it says. And the retail value of these are also $75 and the member price is $63. So the total for everything would be $210, and then the member discount, which is when it goes from the retail to the member, was $24. And then if you buy all, you get another $10 off. So I'm loving all these pieces. There's all three. These earrings are so fun. I love the necklace, and I love these rings. I really love the rings. Actually, I really like all three. I think these are good. This is a really good set. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite? This necklace, all three of these pieces would go with a lot. This one might be hard. So for my last set, I kept two pieces. I kept, I don't know if you remember my last set, but I got in the little pendant with the L, and I kept it. And then I kept the earrings that had the little drop with the big circle. I really liked those. They were really light earring, and I kept those. So I kept two out of the three. And I bought them over the course of 2 months so I could use my monthly credit towards them. And I sent back one item, which was another pair of earrings. So this month might be another one. These pieces are going to be tough. I like them. All right, I will list all of these items down below in case you want to add them to your wish list. You can create wish lists on Rocksbox site, and your stylist generally will pick items from your wish list. So they'll at least pick 1 or 2 items, and then they'll add a third for fun. But as I said, you can swap out pieces if you catch your preview within the 24 hours and swap them out for different items in case there's pieces on there that you really don't want to give a try. And if you use my referral link, which I will put down below, your first month's fee will be waived. So that $21 will be waived. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I had fun with this unboxing. I'm liking my new pieces. Can't wait to give them a try. And I love spending time with you guys. Can't wait to read your comments, share your favorites. Please take care of yourselves and those around you. Please hit that like. Would love you to hang out and hit that subscribe. If you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. Until next time, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye, everybody.